on our way to a Filipino food truck. So first time ko since I got here, it will be my first time to eat in a Filipino food place. So I'm very excited, and it's called Ricardo's Barbecue, Filipino Barbecue, something like that. And simple lang yung mga nasa menu nila, but I'm just really looking forward to eating something Filipino authentic na food place. So thank you, my love. So we've been planning for this for a few weeks now. We were just waiting for the right time kasi last week it was maulan yung Saturday last week, and they're only open Fridays and Saturdays, so kailangan talaga planuhin yung pagpunta doon. And I had to call them kasi yesterday, Friday, ay sarado sila kasi may mga concerns daw with their equipment. And then just this morning I called them up just to make sure kung bukas ba talaga sila kasi medyo malayo din yung drive. Kaya, and I'm very happy kasi bukas nga sila, and excited na ako. And sana makapag-mukbang kami pagdating doon kasi ano lang, pop-up lang siya na ano, yung mga upuan nila and tables, ano lang, yung parang yung mga plastic ano na ina-assemble, so ganun lang yung place doon. So sana hindi masyadong crowded at sana makasecure kami ng table and ano, yung mga upuan para comfortable naman at para makapag-mukbang. So we'll see you guys there. Guys, dito na kami. Ito yung tsura ng food truck. O, diba? Tapos dyan kami upo. Tingnan natin yung menu nila. So,
hey guys.
Hi. Good. So, there's barbecue.
How y'all doing?
Hello, good.
Are we movie stars?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for my call, my casting call.
Yay! Dito na yung order namin. Please. Yay! Ito na yung food namin. So we have, oh wow. Is this the
chicken inasal?
Chicken, I think this is the barbecue.
Yeah.
Or chicken inasal. And then this one is pork adobo. And then the other one is, oh wow, siomai. Nice mukbang. Oh wow. It's init tayo.
Oh, it is.
Sorry. I'll go somewhere cooler. Oh, come on, it fell. It's okay. I'll eat it. I think this is good. Sure. Guys, dapat maubos namin to, guys. Here, you can put it here. Yeah, rice.
And here you just a bigger piece as well. I get the sauce all underneath.
Gosh. I'm excited. Did we pray already?
Yeah, we did.
Tapos na kami mag-pray. Yeah, all good. So let's get. Oh, sure. Yeah, you get the big one.
This one's good.
Yeah. Yes, let's eat. Tastes like home. Ano yun? Alam nyo ba? Yung may-ari is, alam nyo naman na, Bisaya ako. Yung may-ari is, din, Pinay siya, tapos nakapangasawa din ng American. And then, napaka-friendly nila, guys. Galing Mindanao din siya. So, but she has been here for since 1999. So matagal na siya dito. They're very friendly. So kung nandito kayo sa Alabama, try nyo yung food truck nila. Sarap ng pagkain, sarap ng adobo. Tastes like home. Try ko yung ano nila, inasal. Good. Parang kumiyata yung first customer nila. Buti na lang kasi nakakuha kami ng magandang pwesto. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Happy ko. Sobrang happy ko, guys. Ang babait ng may-ari. Sobra.
Everybody got enough napkins?
Yeah, I think so.
Can we ask for more? Yeah.
Just in case. I know myself.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Good stuff.
Kalamig. Lamig tayo. You really like it? How about the adobo?
I love this.
Nagkadimao akong hungit, guys. Grabe, di makagpan. Lamig kayo. Very good. Init lang siya, guys, but carry lang. It's only 11:50 in the morning. Do you like the?
Yeah,
Do you like that it's so good?
I do.
So good. ito. Lemon. You want to?
Sure.
You want to try it? Marunong. You can dip your dumpling here in the soy sauce. It has, I think it has vinegar.
What's that? Floating in
You can
there?
try it. It's a chili.
Oh, okay. Want to try?
Yeah.
Oh, you still work here, huh? I didn't get fired yet. How's it going?
Nice. Siomai.
Ooh.
Hey, look at the tree.
Ay, sarap. Sarap. So good. Ay, grabe. Sobrang ano, tawag ito. Malaman. Nasa tuloy yung laway ko. Sobrang malaman. You like? Nagustuhan ni Ken. Is this your first time trying a dumpling?
Yeah.
First time niya, guys. At nagustuhan niya. Ang sarap. Ay, grabe. Tapos yung sauce nila, parang yung talagang yung sausawan natin dun sa Pilipinas. Ang sarap. Tapos kung may ano lang, may yung kalamansi, ayan ko. Hi guys! Tapos na kaming kumain and grabe. Nakapag-retouch na ako grabe. Sobrang sarap at sobrang busog. Maybe next time we'll just get two chicken in a spal instead of 3 kasi sobrang laki ng isang steak at sobrang malaman. And then sarap lahat. It was worth the drive. Thank you! Grabe. At maraming pumupunta guys and gusto nyo ubusan ng customers. So, kung andito kayo sa Alabama, visit nyo yung food truck. It's called Ricardo's Filipino Barbecue. Meron silang Facebook page, meron din silang Instagram page. So, support natin yung yung Kapwa Pinoy sa business nila. So, right now, punta kami ni Ken sa shops and magtitingin ng mga naka-sale. Ano kasi ngayon, long weekend, it's Memorial Day weekend. So, sa Monday, walang work kasi nga Memorial Day. So, we'll make the most of the long weekend. So, and maganda yung weather. The whole weekend, kaya yung lubos-lubosin natin. Sana makabili kami ng something na mga shirts or shorts for summer. So, babalik kami doon for sure. Babalik kami dun sa yung sa food truck again. Babalik kami soon. Again soon. Nagluto naman kami ni Ken ng nung adobo a few weeks ago. Kaya lang hindi ako na masyadong nakulangan ako sa timpla kasi may mga ingredients kasi nawala sa grocery store na pinupuntahan namin. Doon lang namin yung ingredient for the adobo ay doon lang namin mabibili sa Asian store. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa shops. And sobrang init. 27 degrees. But hindi pa daw ito yung init. Mainit talaga kasi hindi pa summer eh. So, spring pa ngayon. So, by June, by sa summer, mas mainit pa daw. So, we'll see.